100% renewable energy isn't just for the future, it's already happening. 7 countries already solely generate 100% renewable energy, proving renewables can deliver. The key to their success is flexibility, which is critical for a power grid. Renewables can quickly ramp up or down to match supply with demand, unlike nuclear or coal, which adjust slowly to fluctuations in electricity demand. And that's not all. By combining renewable energy with detailed weather forecasting, energy storage systems, and smart technologies like demand management, they become even more efficient generators of power for our fast-paced world. So what's stopping us from going renewable? Share this video to spread the truth about renewables.